Hey, what's going on, crew? Hey, I just want to give you guys up to date as far as what's been going on today. Hey, I just came back from Elizabethton. They had their annual car show this evening, and man, we saw a lot of awesome and beautiful cars and stuff. But I just want to do this little small segment because I want to try to separate this one particular video that stood out to me from the rest of them. And another thing is that I'm going to do a really quick truck review on this 1974 Ford Bronco. And one reason why is that my heart goes out to these Broncos because that was one of my first trucks with my wife that we had. And I tell you what, I regret every minute of letting that truck go. But we was young at the time and we really didn't know what we had. But if I could change time or go back in time, I would definitely keep that truck. So this Ford Bronco, it actually has a sweetheart for me. So I just want to give a proper introduction. I met this young man through my nephew. His name is Johnathan Gray, and he was nice enough to let me do a quick truck review on his Bronco. And so I hope you guys enjoy this 1974 Ford Bronco as much as I did. It brought back a lot of memories. And hey, you guys, make sure you, at the end of this video, write down some comments down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And to this channel as well, guys, because we're bringing you guys a lot of good content. And I'm really enjoying every bit of it. So, hey, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I will probably get back with you guys towards the end. So, go over here and look at my nephew's buddy Jeep here. This thing is clean, man. He talking about, oh, I got an old Jeep. Yeah, this mob is tight. Yeah, this is clean, man. Yeah. So if you don't mind, just tell me your name and tell me what you're building, what you got here.
My name's Johnathan Gray. It's a 1974 Bronco. I bought it about a little over 2.5 years ago. Started the restoration. I took it down to the frame.
How long have you had it? About 2 years?
About 2.5 years.
Really?
I just got it out about 2 months ago.
Really?
Out of the final shop. And from the frame up, every bolt on it's brand new.
So was it, I mean, did you start out with a pretty good shell of a truck? No?
No, it was covered in rhino liner, spray on.
Oh, really?
So I had to... I had to get all new metal. There's bits and pieces of the original still left. The dash, the grill, the firewall, just some of the main components, the floorboard in the back, the tailgate.
Man, you did an awesome job with this here, man.
Thank you.
You really did.
I rearranged, no marker lights, no gas tank.
I see that. Yeah, you got a smooth out in the back right there. Yeah.
Gas tank's on the inside.
The gas tank is?
That's where the filler is.
At the same time, almost the identical words they both look.
Man, I
But
tell
it's
you.
in front of the roll bar there.
I mean, what made you start doing Bronco? I mean, is this your first one?
No, this is my second. I had one about 20 years ago.
Yeah.
Sold it and regretted it every day.
I would never get rid of this
that
from
I
him,
sold
man.
it.
So is this rhino liner or
It's Linex.
Linex? Did you put you do that yourself or you had somebody do
I
that
had
for you?
Linex in Morristown.
Okay.
I had them do it for me. The floor mats are from India.
India.
A guy in India made the reproductions of a 1976 floor mat. And a guy named Bryan with Harrison Custom Rods helped me do a lot of this. He made my center console for the speakers.
Oh man, yeah.
And just did the side panels, the metal panels. Everything that's black on it's been powder coated.
So what is this up here in front? Is this your windshield wipers?
That's the windshield wiper motor. And that, when you go from a hard top to a soft top, you have to drop the motor because it normally sticks way up high above the windshield, and it's really ugly. so they made the cover to cover it.
So you can get a lot of stuff aftermarket?
Yes.
So who did your seats for you? You got the diamond pleated seats, guys?
Greenville. It's actually in Mosheim, called Howell and Susie's.
Now this is upholstered. This isn't a cover, is it?
No, that's upholstered.
Yeah, right.
They did that custom.
Got the back seat there. So how hard is it to find, what year is this again?
74.
So how hard is it to find these 74s? Are they pretty hard to find?
These are probably, I think they made about 25,000 of these originally.
Okay.
So they're getting slim to none.
I see you got underneath. You got your frame and
Yeah.
now is this the original frame underneath there?
Yes, sir. That's original. All we did was we took everything down.
Got new running boards.
Took a brush to it and put some high heat paint on it, and that's all we did to the frame.
That's cool. You did a really awesome job, man.
Well, thank you.
I mean, this is very tasteful. I mean, I tell you, it is awesme.
I had a custom gauge made for it over there.
Yeah, I saw that gauge over there.
I've been a big Jimmy Buffett fan all my life, and I had them put a Jimmy Buffett shark fin.
Oh, real? So who did your gauges?
It's called Classy Gauges out of Utah.
Oh, so you had to send it to
Salt Lake
them?
City, Utah, and that's it. That's how many miles I have on this build.
546.
That's how much I've drove it.
Wow.
Since I got it finished.
Well, I appreciate you letting us look at it, man, and
thank
you
you.
know, look forward to putting it on YouTube and letting the guys check it out, man. They really like this gem of a beauty here.
Well, thank you
That's
very
for sure.
much. I appreciate that.
No, I appreciate it.
What I've seen, they look like this body style.
That's what we're hoping.
They got a sport version with movable doors.
Yes. 4-door, 2-door.
So here's it for a guy out there.
What's that?
Anybody around here that's got a 65 F100 drill?
That's a tough question. Not right off the hand.
He's got that home. Really nice.
Yeah.
You know they got a new one coming out?
Monday.
He's already ready.
Hey, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, and I hope you guys enjoyed that 74 Ford Bronco. I'm a lover of those Broncos. I had one when I first was in the Navy, and I always wanted to get one, and maybe one day I will still get me one in the future. So he did an excellent job with that Bronco, man, and I just want him to give him a good thumbs up, and I appreciate him letting me do a little car review on it, or actually a truck review on his vehicle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video as well. And please hit that notification bell so you get all my newest videos and updates, guys. So I'm gonna let you guys get out of here, but check out my other videos, and especially check out the 1962 The Build videos, guys. That's going on now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And like I tell everybody, if you got a good cigar, a fast car and truck, smoke them if you got them, baby.